When the first ship of the season pushed through the half-frozen waters of Eisenhower Lock near Messina, New York, there was extra reason to celebrate. This passage marked the silver anniversary of the St. Lawrence Seaway, officially opened April 25, 1959, by Queen Elizabeth and President Eisenhower. Hailed as the greatest construction feat since the building of the pyramids, the Seaway was needed to bypass rapids on the St. Lawrence River, which had blocked boats of the early explorers, and to get around the Cascade at Niagara. The Seaway established a deep-water route from the Atlantic to the furthest Great Lakes ports, a distance of 2,300 miles. It opened the heartland of North America to major world markets. Since 1959, the Seaway has handled more than 1 billion metric tons of cargo, or inbound to the factories of the Midwest, grain and finished products going out. Landlocked cities like Chicago and Thunder Bay have become leading world seaports, changing the trading patterns of both the U.S. and Canada. The Seaway was a bigger construction job than either the Suez or Panama Canals. Canada started building the 5 modern locks on their side of the St. Lawrence in 1951. 3 years later, Congress voted to join the venture, adding 2 locks on the U.S. side. The most dramatic locks are on the Welland Canal in Ontario, where ships bypass Niagara Falls on a huge flight of water steps. Much of the maintenance work on the Seaway is done during winter, when ice forces the system to close. Modern equipment has shortened this period to about 3 months. Self-supporting through tolls and lockage fees, the St. Lawrence Seaway remains one of the world's most notable achievements in international cooperation and commerce.